All right, let's cut the fluff and get straight to the point. You want to build an app, make money, and not waste months overthinking it. Good! I built 14 plus apps, and I'm about to spill the beans on what actually worked. Listen up. Everything you need to think of an app, idea, build it, and make your first dollar online is right here. No BS, just actionable steps. First things first, we need a mindset reset. Kill that precious ego of yours. You don't need a revolutionary, never-before-seen idea. In fact, originality is optional. Revenue, that's non-negotiable. Copy what's already working. Then worry about standing out later. Why does copying work? Simple. The market's already validated by your competitors. Think about it. Like restaurants. How many burger joints exist in your city? Exactly. They all sell the same basic thing, yet somehow coexist and make money. Mind-blowing, right? Here's your first action step. List 3 apps you see advertised constantly. Boom. That's proven demand right there. Let me hit you with a real example. I launched a meeting recorder product. Did I reinvent the wheel? Hell no. I rebuilt the baseline features everyone else had. Results? About $1,000, Mr. R, in 1 to 2 weeks. The fancy AI copilot stuff, that came later. Start simple. Iterate fast. Now, let's talk idea sourcing. It's not rocket science. Scroll through Twitter, Reddit, TikTok, YouTube ads. Notice any patterns? Those repeating categories. That's your gold mine. Pick one. You can rebuild in 2 to 4 weeks. Don't overcomplicate it. Tech stack time. I can already hear the but. What about instead obscure framework? Crowd. Shut that noise down. For web, use Next.js and deploy on Vercel. Mobile, Expo, React, Native. For both iOS and Android, the rule is dead simple. Choose popular stacks with massive community support. You'll thank me when you're not debugging alone at 3 a.m. Backend and payments. Keep it stupid. Simple. Supabase for auth, database, and storage. Stripe for payments because their docs and tooling are unmatched. And please, for the love of all that is holy, don't lose sleep over merchant of our accord or tax implications on day one. Just get started. Here's a pro tip. Instrument early. Slap PostHog into your app for events, session replays, and basic A/B testing. Why? Because what users say they'll do and what they actually do are often worlds apart. Data doesn't lie. Egos do. Now, let's talk build philosophy. I call it SLC. Simple, lovable, complete. Your V1 should have 2 core features, max. Make it look clean enough that people don't run screaming. And ensure it works, end to end. Ship fast, then iterate in public. Your users will tell you what's missing. Ready for the 7-day build plan? Buckle up. Day 1, scope it out. Wireframe that bad boy. Nail down your data model. Day 2, 3, auth, core, CRUD, basic UI. Nothing fancy, just functional. Day 4, Stripe checkout and a pricing page. Yes! Think about money from the start. Day 5, empty states, onboarding, analytics events. Don't let users feel lost. Day 6, Polish UI. Tackle edge cases. Bug bash, like your life depends on it. Day 7, deploy. Craft that landing page copy and set up a waitlist capture. Remember, this isn't about building the next Facebook. It's about getting something real out there and making your first dollar online. Stop dreaming. Start building. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. But what if someone steals my idea? Newsflash. Ideas are worthless. Execution is everything. While you're paralyzed by fear, someone else is out there shipping and learning. Here's a hard truth. Your first attempt will probably suck. Mine did. But guess what? That's how you learn. Each app, Each feature, each user interaction teaches you something invaluable. You can't buy that knowledge. You have to earn it through doing. Let's talk about the myth of the perfect launch. Spoiler alert, it doesn't exist. Your goal isn't to create a masterpiece. It's to create a starting point. Think of it as your app's first day of school. It's going to be awkward, probably fall down a few times, but that's how it grows. Marketing. Oh boy, the number of technically brilliant apps I've seen die because the creator thought if you build it, they will come. Spoiler, they won't. You need to be your app's biggest cheerleader. Reddit, Twitter, Product Hunt. Anywhere your potential users hang out, you should be there, providing value and subtly mentioning your solution. Here's a quick marketing hack. Build in public. Share your journey, your struggles, your wins. People love a good story, and they'll root for the underdog. Plus, it's free marketing. Win-win. Now, about pricing. I see you planning to launch for free and figure out monetization later. Stop! Right there. Charge from day one. Even if it's just $5 a month. It sets the expectation that your product has value. Free users are often the most demanding and least loyal paid users. They're invested in your success. Let's talk about the roller coaster of emotions you're about to experience. One day, you'll feel like a genius. The next, an imposter. Both are normal. Neither are entirely true. Stay focused on your metrics and user feedback. They're your North Star when your emotions are all over the place. Remember that meeting recorder app I mentioned? It wasn't all smooth sailing. I had days where I questioned everything, but I kept pushing, kept iterating. That $1,000, Mr. R, it grew because I didn't give up when things got tough. Here's the secret sauce. Consistency beats intensity every time. It's not about pulling all-nighters and burning out. It's about showing up every day, putting in focused work, and steadily moving forward. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your app empire be. As we wrap up, let me leave you with this. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is now. Stop overthinking. Stop overplanning. And for the love of all that is holy, stop waiting for the perfect idea. Pick something, build it, ship it, learn from it. You've got the roadmap now, from idea to execution, from launch to first dollar. The rest is up to you. Will it be easy? No. Will it be worth it? Absolutely. Now go build something awesome. The world is waiting.